Hey you guys, it's me, LuvNailsNicole, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys these nail tips that I ordered off of Amazon. They're all clear tips. I know it's hard to see. Yeah, I got a pack of 500 tips, 10 sizes for like $6.50, somewhere around there. A really good price. But I haven't opened them yet, so I just wanted to open them and see you know, like how they look and how sturdy they are. And they're not really long. I didn't want the super long ones, but this is how one pack looks. Yeah. Ooh. And I sanitized the bag too before I even touched it. I'm going to store them inside of my little case that I got from Dollar Tree from the arts and crafts aisle. I meant to go pick up a couple of these, but I forgot. So I did have this one, so I'm going to try this one out and see how well it works. So yeah. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and open these up, pour them out. Now last time what I did was I had took the sticker off of the bag and put it on top of here, but these are made onto the bag, so I am going to have to number them separately, because I can cut this number off and tape it to the bag, but I don't know if I want to do that. I think I'm going to go ahead and make some numbers really quick and tape them to here. So yeah, let me grab some stuff so I can do that. So here is the final product of me taping in the numbers. As you've seen, I just took a regular piece of paper, a Sharpie marker, wrote the numbers on, and taped them on the back so they'll stay, you know, on here, won't get messed up or anything, instead of taping it to the top. The reason I skipped is because they have dividers in these, and I only have 2. I had to go ahead and use this side, but I want to put a couple of things in the empty boxes, so I just kept the ones with the dividers. I'll just have an extra divider. I have another box like this, so that's fine. So yeah, that's why I skipped. So I'll have a divider box here and a divider box here. So I'm going to go ahead and open them and start putting them inside, and then we'll take a look at how they look and all that good stuff. So these are number 1s. Well, this is nice because they all fit in here. I think with these boxes, I couldn't fit them all. I had to leave some out on some of them. Some that I had a bunch of, I couldn't fit them all, because see how they come to the very top. These are deeper, so that's good. Yeah, these are deeper, so the whole bag fits. I like that. Because at first I didn't want to use this because I wanted to keep them in, you know, all matching containers, but now that I see it's deep and can fit all numbers, I'm glad I used it. And sorry if you guys can hear like banging in the background. I'm not sure till I edit the video, but my son just got a set of drums and he is down there drumming his little heart away. All I hear is boom, 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 boom. Ba ba ba. Yeah, they're very loud. Okay, finish filling these up. They fit in here pretty good, and I do like how deep the boxes are, so they all fit. I tried to get them in there neat. As you can see, they're kind of all over the place. When you take them out the bag, you know, they're all nice and neat, but by the time I got down in here, they just, you know, they kind of scattered, especially the little ones. They just, like, I got to a point where I just dumped them out the bag straight in there. I didn't even try to hold them in place, but it's fine. So let's see, take one out here. So this is the number 0, and you guys can see the, whoa, I just dropped that one somewhere right here. Let me close this. Okay, so yeah, this is the number 0, and you guys can see the shape. It's Ballerina, and this is a shape that I've been trying to do on my own, but I'm not good at shaping, so I figure let me try to find some that are already shaped. I don't want them this length. It's too long for me. Y'all know I don't like them that long, but I'm hoping that when I cut them shorter that they will still have a little bit of this look to it. So I'm gonna cut them down a little bit when I do get ready to use them. The feel, they're a little, you know, squeezy. They're not super, they're sturdy up here though, you know, but you know, they're supposed to kind of expand down here anyway when you glue, just has a little give, but they're not, you know, super, like, I can't bend them and break them, so they feel great. For $6, you know, for as many as I got, I think it's a good price. Excuse, my nails are chipping. I know I'm about to take that off next video. I probably should have did that first, but yeah. So far so good. So I will leave a link in the description box to where I ordered these. I actually did a screen record, whoops, to show you guys. I'll show you guys the name of the seller and the price and all that stuff. But I'll put a link in my description box to where you guys can find these at. And yeah, if you're interested, you guys can go order. So yeah, my new Ballerina nail tips. I can't wait to try these out. That's what I'll probably be doing next. If I don't just regular polish my nails, I might go ahead and use these tips next, put some more tips on. I'm not too sure yet, but I can't wait to try them out. So yeah, like I said, this case, it came from Dollar Tree in the arts and crafts aisle. Pink little case, $1. Really good find, nice place to store your nail tips. And before I put them in, I had a couple of my glitters, which is why you guys see some glitter down in this one, but I had these inside of it. So that's one thing I was going to do with these, was since I kept the little spacers, I was just going to stick these down in there like that for now, because I have another one, but it's full, so that could go in there. All right, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to click that subscribe button. Do not forget, subscribe. Give the videos a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one.